Welcome to another episode of What to Shoot When. This is something I started recently, adding this to my regular videos, and it just to give you ideas as to what to shoot for stock photography. If you remember, I have a calendar you can download completely for free on my website. Scroll all the way to the bottom, put your email in, and that'll give you access to the calendar. The first 6 pages are in English, the last 6 are in Spanish for my other channel. And this is just simple ideas that are gonna help you create more images for stock photography. And for this month, yes, this month, it is time to start shooting your Christmas photo shoots, your end of year photo shoots. Another thing that's here for September is National Pastry Day. Hold on, let me get back to normal because this one's a little tight. So, National Pastry Day, Bingo Month. Look at all the props, all the ideas that you have here. Play Outside Day. You have children, they're playing outside, get some photos of that. There's also things like, I don't have any gingerbread, National Cookie Day or Eggnog Day, all the end of year things. And there's one here that really caught my eye because over the last few years, I've made a lot of money selling sticky notes with faces or sayings or something like that. And there's one that says, Thank You Note Day. How easy is that? And I haven't done it yet, so let me show you what I did. Now, before we start, a big thanks to Mike, Beth, Jay, Bison. Thank you so much for joining the member community. If you have any questions about anything to do with photography, please let me know and I'll do my best to answer. Now, another reason for using the thank you notes is because I'm extremely grateful for this community. Everybody that texted me or commented on my videos about me being on the top seller page for Adobe for the week. That was awesome. I never checked that page. And to see my name on the top 10 contributors for the week with top sales was awesome, was a great feeling. A lot of the photos that sold there was because of you guys, because I keep coming up with ideas of what to shoot for stock. And I made a video about a month ago, maybe 2 months ago, about when I went to Idaho and did a lot of food photos. Those photos sold a few hundred times in the span of a week. Drink photos, all things that I had in my portfolio, which is why I say the more you shoot, the better you're gonna do. I saw like 250 photos in one day, all to do with food and drink. And if I wouldn't have uploaded these photos because of you guys, I wouldn't be in the top page, which feels awesome. But anyway, let's get back to the sticky notes. Again, numbers game. How many photos can we get with these simple props? I have a couple of backgrounds. I already did 40 images with natural light, just a simple diffuser to get even lighting, avoid reflections, and try to get a couple of concepts. Now I'm gonna use a table. We have these things to block light and modify the light to make it look a little bit better. And of course, my little cutting board that I made a lot of money with. I bought it as a souvenir in Napa years ago. But anyway, let's start with some photos and see how far we can get. Okay, and just like that, using simple props, I mean literally different backgrounds, this wooden table, my little wooden cutting board, these V-flat things, these tabletop things are great because it has a white reflector, a metallic reflector, and a background. Yes, I said that correctly. So I can use these to block light, to show light. Using a non-diffused light, I can get the light beam to where I want to show that light Using the grid on the diffuser softens the light and directs the light so it doesn't have spill light. Great way to direct the light. Remember, if you're interested in any of these products that I use, there's always links in the video description. No matter what you purchase, uses those links, I get a small commission, so I do really appreciate the support. Like I said before, thank you notes. These things are so simple. Look, just by doing this, I got well over 100 photos. I did 2 photo shoots yesterday. I did different notes with natural light, and all I used was a diffuser just to even out the light, avoid reflections, just to get things natural looking. Close-ups, details, using the tripod, easy. Today I'm using these lights because I can control the light and it elevates that level of photography, but you don't have to. You can use whatever you have. The point is to take more pictures, and when you have an idea that's as simple as thank you notes. For 10 years, 15 years, and I've never done it. I don't know why. Now that I have a calendar, I get different ideas and I can bring ideas to you as well. So whatever you have, just go out and take some photos. The more you have, the more chances of selling you're going to have. And when something starts selling, do more of that subject. After making the photos, I realized that cleaning everything wasn't enough. I mean, still, clean everything as much as possible. Try to keep things looking as new as possible. But when you're working with things that you have around your house, they might have dust or scratches or things that just won't clean up. So remember to take that into Lightroom or Photoshop and do major cleaning, literally, or basic cleaning. Just remove anything that looks distracting. There's some things you're not going to be able to get rid of, like in this box, some of those deep scratches. But that's fine. But all the dust and the surface scratches, yes, try to get rid of those as much as you can. When it comes to edits, just add some contrast. Make things look natural by adjusting the white balance. Just try to keep things looking as good as possible to promote more sellability, to get people to buy those images. And that's literally all it takes. Keeping it simple goes a long way when we're talking about stock photography. I've been selling little notes with faces and sticky notes and stuff like that for years, and I don't know why I never even thought about thank you, because why not? It's a big thing in today's world. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this was insightful. Remember to download the calendar. Just go to wollertzphotography.com, put your email down at the bottom, and if you want to receive my monthly newsletter, which is coming soon, then click yes. If not, no worries. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys at the next video. Christmas time already. Wow.